Hello everybody, Tahina here, and today I will be planning for the week of August 10th to August 16th. I had to do a voiceover because my fiance was being loud, my cats were being loud, so that's just what had to happen. I'm using this kit. It is in my shop, but I had to tweak it a little bit. I changed the colors because I didn't like how the green turned out. I did change the washi sheet because this kit was made for the 2019-2020 EC planner, and so now the washi doesn't work for the newer planners, so I had to do that. So I reformatted my kits. So now instead of getting the 3 full boxes, you actually get the 8. And a couple of the kits with the reformat is in my shop. I'll link my shop down below. And so I'm just going over what the kit used to have. So I think I'm just going to put the basic stuff down, like the washi and stuff, and I'll be right back. That's kind of a trick that I've seen from Scribble Prints Co. Andrea. Okay, so now that that's down, let's see, I think, okay, yeah, I'm going to start with my sidebar. I wasn't sure if I started the week or started the sidebar. I usually don't use the sidebar that much. Lately I've been using it just as something like a list of what I wanted to get done. Sometimes I'll put like a tracker for like Instagram or YouTube or something like that, but I don't know, I kind of go back and forth. I don't see how some people can just do the same thing over and over again. I mean, if it works for them, it works for them, but I'm still kind of looking for my thing that works for me. So, I think I'm doing a little bit of both this week. So, I filmed this a while back, so I don't remember exactly what I did. So I kind of have to watch the video to figure out what I was doing. But this last week, school just started, so everything's online, but still, it's still like if you were going to campus. And so it's just been a crazy week for me. I haven't been able to design or anything, so there's no new releases this week, but hopefully next week I can have new releases. I have to change my new release date because usually it's a Friday, but because of how my classes are, I think I'm going to have to make new releases like Mondays, which kind of sucks, or maybe Sunday, I don't know, because I go to school during, or, online, during the beginning of the week. So, and when I do have class, it's all day, like, because I have a lab and a lecture. So I don't have time to design or anything on the days that I actually have class. So in order for me to design and like do the listings and do all that stuff and try to promote it and do all that, there's no way I can do it during the beginning of the week like I used to for Fridays. I would always build up until the new releases. But so if you guys like, well, I'm sure you shop with different shops, different sticker shops. What day would you like your new releases day for your favorite shops? What would be the ultimate favorite day to have it? Usually a lot of people say Fridays, but anything else besides a Friday, let me know in the comments down below. I'm using, to plan my week, I'm using Simply Gilded notepad that we got in, was it June? I think June's subscription box. And I was trying to figure out, I was like, how am I going to use this pad? And then I decided, oh, I know, I could turn it upside down and put the week I'm planning, and then put the days, and then there'd be 2 boxes left. So I thought I could use that for my YouTube and my Instagram. So that's how I've been using that. And when I get down to like the last sheet, I think I'm going to laminate it so I can use it over and over again. I just love this kit. I never did, I know Scribble Prints Co. did, I think it was in 2016. She had a mystery kit that had this clip art in there, and I wasn't able to get it. And so ever since then, I was like, oh man, I want these stickers. So then when I decided to start my shop, and I got the cutter and all that, I looked for the clip art. At first I couldn't find it at all. I forgot all about it until somebody in one of the groups on Facebook were asking about it. And I was like, oh yeah, that's right, I forgot about that clip art. And I actually found it on Etsy. And so I was like, well, I'll make a kit. She's asking about it, I'm sure other people want it too. So that's what made me make the kit. But I did make it like super late in the summertime, so everybody's looking for Halloween stuff right now. So I don't even think anybody looked at it. But that's okay. I'm just gonna keep my kits, like the ones that aren't reformatted. Eventually I'm gonna reformat them and just keep them in the shop, because I hate when shops will put kits in their shops or whatever, and then they suddenly bring them down. Like, I know, okay, fall or summer or whatever has passed, but that don't mean people ain't looking for the kits, for like maybe next year or something. I don't know. That might just be me, because every time I see somebody's kit, I go to look at it in the shop, and it's not there anymore. Every single time. Well, not every single time, but, the majority of the time, that's what happens. Because I don't get paid every week. I can't be like, on Friday, okay, I'm going to buy this, buy this, buy this, buy this. you know, I can't do it. It's not in my budget. So I can only, I try to budget myself to once a month to get stickers. And so that kind of sucks because once I get to the next month, the sticker kit might not even be there, or it might be sold out, or whatever. It just sucks sometimes. But every now and then, I'll get lucky and there might be a sale or something, and I haven't purchased anything yet. So, okay, I'm just going through my little sticker collection. I don't buy stickers that often because I can make a lot of them myself. But that little sticker book is everybody else's stickers besides mine. So I do have a couple. And this was before school started, so like I have no plans. So basically it's been design, edit photos, listings, new releases. That's how my week's been. So now it's a little bit different with school starting. So hopefully I can cram everything in. And I know that was for the new releases. So let me know down in the comments, what stickers are you looking for right now? Like, do you have all your Halloween stuff right now? And you're looking for like Thanksgiving stuff or Christmas stuff? What are you guys looking for? Because it seems like I'm kind of late when it comes to my new releases. That you know, everybody has Halloween out. And I put Halloween out. I only have 2 kits for Halloween because I was going to get more clip art, and then I decided not to because I think I'm late because everybody was buying their Halloween stuff. Sorry if you hear my cat in the background. She's being noisy again. But, so yeah, I didn't think to make any more Halloween kits. So I don't really want to do like a Thanksgiving Day kit. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do like kits that you can use like anytime. Like there's a floral marble kit that I want to make. And there's a few other ideas that I have. So I think I'm going to make those instead of like just doing like holiday ones. Like I'll definitely do Christmas kits and winter kits. I think after this I'm going to speed you up as I write everything down that I need to, and then we'll be done. Okay, so everything's written down that I have planned. So, like I said, this is a boring week because school hasn't started yet. So, please subscribe, like this video, and I will see you next time.